Hello dear learners, welcome back. Let's do a short revision of chapter 3 in geography, that is climate, by knowing short summary, understanding bulletin points and discussing some question answers. So let us understand the difference between climate and weather. Climate is the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, generally more than 30 years. Weather is the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Various elements of weather and climate are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. India, along with the South and East Asia, has monsoon type of climate. The climate of any place is controlled by latitude, altitude, pressure, wind system, distance from sea, ocean current and relief features. High mountain, by blocking the rain-bearing winds, help in causing the rainfall in windward side of the mountain. The atmospheric condition which governs the climate and weather condition of India are pressure and surface wind, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbance and tropical cyclone. Southwest monsoon winds are the southeast trade winds of the southern hemisphere which after crossing equator become southwestern trade wind due to the upward deflection by Coriolis force. As they blow over warm ocean, they cause rainfall in Indian subcontinent. Jet streams are the fast blowing wind moving in upper atmosphere. They are located at about 27 to 30 degree north latitude. Let us see some bulletin points of the chapter climate. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area any point of the time. The element of both weather and climate are same. It is combination of temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind, cloudiness and other atmospheric condition at a specific time. Climate is the characteristic condition of the atmosphere near the Earth's surface at certain place on Earth. It refers to the sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time. It is the long-term weather of that area which remains at least 30 years. Hence, we can conclude that factors affecting climates are towards the location and air pressure and wind. Towards location, we have latitude, altitude, relief feature, distance from sea and Himalayan mountains. And towards the air and pressure wind, we have upper air circulation and western cyclones. Let us discuss latitude in brief. Latitude, which affects the climate of the condition, is the distance of the place which lies from the north or south of the equator and is measured by the imaginary line called as line of latitude. Some other factors are tropical, temperate and polar zones. Tropical zone where the sun rays are mostly intense and temperature are always warm. Whereas temperate zone, the sun rays strike on the earth at the smaller angle and near to the equator. Polar zones are between 66.5 degree north and south latitude and the poles. Sun rays strikes earth at very small angle in the polar zones. That's why the temperature in the polar zone remains extremely cold. Here, with the help of diagram, we can understand how temperature decreases from low to high altitude. The upper circulation in India is dominated by westerly flow, which is also called as jet stream. These are narrow belt of high altitude westerly wind in the troposphere. Their speed varies from 110 km per hour in summer and 184 km per hour in winter. Many jet streams have been identified. The most constant are the mid-latitude and the subtropical jet streams. Withdrawal or the retreat of monsoon is more gradual process. The withdrawal of monsoon begin in the northwestern state of India by early September. By mid-October, it withdraws completely from the northern half of the peninsula. Then it quickly withdraws from the southern half of the peninsula. By the early December, the monsoon has totally withdrawn from the country. The island receives very first monsoon shower from south to north between the last week of April and first week of May. Then it withdraws from north to south during the first week of December to the first week of January. By this time, the other part of the country is already influencing the winter monsoon. The word monsoon is derived from Arabic word mausim, which literally means season. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. The world is divided into number of climatic regions. The climate of India is described as monsoon type. Now, the two important elements like temperature, precipitation often vary from place to place and season to season. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds. The sailors who come to India in historic time were one of the first to have noticed the phenomena of monsoon. They benefited from reversal of wind system as they came by sailing ships at the mercy of winds. The Arabs, who had also come to India as a trader, named this seasonal reversal of the wind system as monsoon. Let us see human impact on climatic changes. The greenhouse effect is the natural warming of both Earth's lower atmosphere and Earth's surface from the solar radiation being observed and emitted by the atmosphere. Global warming. As a result of increased level in the carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, global temperature have increased. This increase in global warming. Relief too plays a major role in determining the climate of a place. High mountains act as barrier for cold and hot winds. They may also cause precipitation if they are high enough and lie in path of rain-bearing winds. The leeward sides of the mountain remain relatively dry. Vegetation can affect both temperature and precipitation patterns in an area. In general, highland climate are cooler and wetter than the nearby areas at the lower elevations. Air temperature decreases with altitude. As elevation increases, the air gets cooler because of the energy drawn from the surrounding. Let us discuss some important question answers towards the very short answer type. Number 1 is the sum total of weather conditions and variation over a large area for a long time period is called as climate. The climate of India is described as monsoon type. Third and very interesting question is what are thunderstorms that is called in West Bengal? The thunderstorm in West Bengal is called by Baisakhi. The Tropic of Cancer passes through. Answer is middle of the country. The pressure and the wind system of an area depend upon. Answer is latitude and altitude of that place. Next question is the state of normal rainfall increasing suddenly and continuing constantly for several days is known as. Answer is burst. Next question. An apparent force caused by earth rotation is called as. Answer is Coriolis force. Question 8 is why do coastal area experiences less contrast in temperature condition? Answer is due to the moderating effect of seas. These areas they experiences less contrast in the temperature condition. Ninth question. Name two branches of monsoon. The two branches of monsoons are Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Last question is the monsoon is known for its. Answer is uncertainty. Now let us discuss some short answer type question. What are the important factors that influences the mechanism of weather in India? Following are the factors. Number 1. Surface distribution of pressure and wind. Upper air circulation of jet stream. Inflow of western disturbance in winter and tropical depressions in the summer which create variations in the local weather conditions. Next question is what are the features of advancing monsoon? Answer. Features of advancing monsoon are as following. Number 1. By early June, the low pressure condition over the northern plain attract the trading wind of the southern hemisphere. Second, these southeast trade winds originate over the warm subtropical areas of the southern oceans. They cross the equator and bring abundant moisture to the continent. These winds are strong and blow at an average velocity of 30 km per hour. It's time to cover one map skill based question. Locate and label the following in the given map. A line where the time period is withdrawal for the monsoon in 15 November. Line of the time period of withdrawal of the monsoon 1st October. Also, mark a line where the time period of withdrawal of monsoon is 15 September. In this way, you may locate all the duration by marking and highlighting correct answer number on the map. That's all in this module, dear learners. Remaining chapters we are going to cover soon. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and thank you for watching.